Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tasso, and today our PS5 arrived. Tried over a year to get one of these, so what we're going to do is move our data across to the PS5. But first, we've got to make sure that the PS4 is connected to the network and it has the latest software. So let's do that, and then we'll come back with the PS5. So we'll go into our settings, make sure I'm logged in. So obviously it looks like I'm logged in. Looks like we're connected to the internet. Let's just go down and make sure that the software is up to date. So we're all good. We're all good to go. So what we'll do is shut down. And we'll set up the PS5. The unboxing experience isn't that special. It's really one box out from the top of the main packaging with some paperwork. We've got a little compartment here with a stand. So look at this. Power cable, the HDMI cable. Even though I've used my monitor's HDMI cable to connect the PS4, we'll switch that over soon. The controller, it's actually not bad looking. I prefer the black. I may even change the exterior of the PS5 to black plates, and we'll see when they become available. What else have we got here? A USB-C and a USB-A. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Then sliding out the PS5 out of the box. There's two cartons, so carton type material to hold it in place. So hopefully have it up the right way. Let's get all the wrapping off. And there we have it. Much taller. Don't know how that's going to look on the next to the TV on the main entertainment unit. But yeah, let's get it all hooked up and start the transfer. So here we have it. The PS5 all set up on its stand. A little bit fiddly, but not too difficult to put on. There is a screw that attaches at the base and keeps it nice and steady. Look, it's a really nice looking unit. We'll see now to transfer some data and start playing on the PS5. So what I've got here is an Ethernet cable. So we're going to connect it to the back. Whilst I will connect it to the Wi-Fi, I'm wanting it faster transfer, so from PlayStation to PlayStation, it's recommended that an Ethernet cable is used. I've also got an external hard drive that games that wouldn't fit on the PS4 are saved on there, and so that just instantly plugs into the USB-A out the back, and we'll get those underway as well. So let's turn on the power. Okay, so we're prompted to attach our USB-A and pair the connector. So we will connect it to our Google Wi-Fi network. Let's check this out. Well, that's pretty much it. They're okay. So we're just going through some of the setup here. We can always change this later. I agree, of course. And we'll do a system update. So we're back after the installation of an update. So let's just sign in. I can do it via my phone, but it's recording at the moment, so let's just sign in now. Okay, so I've signed in, passed all the login screens, and essentially are now asked if I want to download one of my games, even though I've downloaded it, let's say for example Far Cry on the hard disk, but I want to do this later. And what I want to do is, at the moment, is, and again, I will do this later. Yes, I want to transfer the data from my PS4. Excellent. That's the very first thing that I wanted to do. So what we want to do is go searching for PS4, but I've got to turn it on. There it is. Can't find it. Oh, you're kidding. Let's try that again. So it's turned on. I think I had to wait until it was white and turned on. Let's see what happens. Alright, it found it. So press the power. So all transferable data. Before you, yep, they need to join the network, doesn't matter, that's my son. We will fix that later, and the same with my daughter. And let's start the transfer. That was interesting. Our PS4 decided to shut down, by the sounds of it. Let's see what happens. It's gone from blue to white, but the transfer still seems to be happening. It's happening, so we will wait until the restart and then connect our external drive so that we can see that all the games that we've got here are accessible on the PS5, and we'll do all our downloads and set it all up, and we'll continue to play. There's a fair bit to explore, but let's connect the external hard drive. Okay, so it's reading. So let's see how we can access the external drive. I think it's through library. There's my collection. PlayStation Plus. Okay, so it's got all our games here that we've downloaded. Okay, so let's see. That says it's installed. So it's reading it from the external drive. That's pretty awesome. Let's see how fast it is. The advice is that if you've got PlayStation 4 games, keep it on an external drive. But I believe that FIFA is... let's go back home. So I believe FIFA is a PS5 game. Let's go back to some of these other games. So you can see extended storage has 30 games downloaded. So what we may do is organize these and get our PS5 games. So we'll get the PS5 version of this particular one downloaded, because we've got this one installed. We want it to be on the actual device. Well, I guess that's it. The video was meant to be a data transfer from a PS4 to a 5. Ended up being a bit of an unboxing and a setup. So yeah, hopefully you got information out of that. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Like I said, it took over a year of trying to get one of these. I failed twice, I think. Had this in the cart, hesitated for a second, and lost the purchase. So this time I was lucky, and hopefully find out a bit more about its capabilities. And yeah, I've got to set up my PS4 games on the external, PS5 on the SSD for faster loads. Yeah, enjoy. Hope you get a PS5 soon, and yeah, until next time. Thanks again.